Political development has been articulated to be part of society since the time of ancient Greek philosophers such as Plato and Aristotle. Understanding political development helps to shape development choices, strategies, trajectories, and outcomes. The concept of political development was coined by the economists and sociologists. It was gradually adapted by the political scientists for the study of various political systems. Lucian W. Pye, Almond N. Powell, Samuel Huntington, Edward Shields, and Fred W. Ricks are the main proponents of Western theory of political development. Lucian Pye's views on political development. Lucian Pye is the first political scientist who defines the concept of political development in a clear and precise manner. He defines it as a cultural diffusion and adaptation, fusion and adjustment of old patterns of life to new demands. He further says that the evolution of the nation-state system is the first step towards political development. In his work on aspects of political development, he highlights some of the important characteristics of political development. These are: number 1, political development as the political prerequisite of economic development. Number 2, political development as the politics typical of industrial societies. Number 3, political development as political modernization. Number 4, political development as the operation of the nation state. Number 5, political development as administrative and level development. Number 6, political development as mobilization and participation. The above mentioned point described by Pye generally offers us three important aspects of political development, such as equality, capacity, and differentiation. Number 1, equality. Political development means the participation of mass of people as a whole in the political activities of the nation, which may either democratic or totalitarian in nature. Capacity. Capacity deals with the outputs of the political system. It is generally related to the performance of the government and the conditions which affect such performance. Differentiation. Differentiation indicates diffusion and specialization of structure. Differentiation is not fragmentation and the isolations of the different parts of the political system, but specialization based on an ultimate sense of integration. After analyzing three elements of political development, Pye says that those elements do not necessarily go together. There may be tensions between demands for equality, the requirement for capacity, and the process of greater differentiation. Samuel P. Huntington's views on political development. Huntington's concept of political development and political decay is an important contribution to the theory of political development. Huntington defines political development as the institutionalization of political organizations and procedures. He argues political development as a process linked with the issue of political stability of institutions. It is linked with adaptability and change. According to him, when a system cannot change but a society is changing, what we find is political decay rather than political development. To know more, visit the link given in the description box.